Hi children, Namaste bachcho. Yes, we are in lesson 1 continuation, Amatrik Shabd. Today we are going to go through the exercise. Exercise is called in Hindi Abhyas. So please go to the page number 11. In that we are going to start the book exercise today. What I am going to tell you at the end, that should be written in the book itself. Okay, write it in the pencil and I will tell you what you have to do. Now let us go into deep. So already we just completed about the lesson 1 Amatrik Shabd. That is, Amatrik Shabd is nothing but the half letter of Ka is called Ik plus A is equal to Ka. So then we just went through the pictures like Kamal, Kag, Gagan, Sky. We finished the page number 9 with the pronunciation of these words. Next we finished Raman A, this conversation. Meanings also we did in online class as well as the pre-recorded video for 2 times. Today we are in page number 11. So today we are going to do Roman part 1, 2 and 3. It's very easy. I am going to explain to you. So today's self work is page number 11, book exercise. You have to write 1, 2 and 3 and take a photo and send it to WhatsApp. So before that, let me explain to you, okay? Right. So exercise means abhyas. So in that exercise, the first one is in Hindi, Shabd Pura Karo, that is complete the words. So in the book, it given only this. So this is Karg. You have to write Kar. This is also Karg. You have to write Kar. Then this is Kalam. So this Ka you have to write. And this is Gagan. In Gagan you have to write Ga. Upavan you have to write U and Pa. Hal. In Hal you have to write Ha. So this is you have to fill the words. So Kag, again Kag, Kalam. Kag means bird, Kalam means pen, Gagan sky, Upavan garden, Hal cloud. Next, Roman letter 2 in Hindi, अंग्रेजी में शब्द लिखो. Write the words in English. So the first one is Kamal, our national flower. It is lotus. Next, Kag, bird. Then Gagan, sky. Chal, walk. Sadak, road. Hal, again plow. So once again, Kamal means lotus. Kag means bird, Gagan sky, Chal walk, Sadak road, Hal plow. Then Roman part 3, Hindi shabd mein likho, that is write the words in Hindi. This we from Hindi to English. This is from English to Hindi. So already this everything you have in the your word meanings. Page number 9 is page number 10 itself. So it is turnip, shalgam, turnip, shalgam, tap where water comes, nal, garden again, upavan, letter, khat, naughty, nut cut. Tomorrow or yesterday, both are called kal. Tomorrow or yesterday is called Kal. Again, turnip, shalgam, tap, null, garden, upavan, letter, kat, naughty, nutcut. Tomorrow or yesterday is called Kal. So again, I am telling you only 1, 2, 3 parts you have to write in the book itself. Don't write in the notebook. Only in the book itself. That is your self work. And send it to me. We will meet in our online session. Dhanyavad bachcho.